think it rolled under the couch.
This group?
I don't know what you call that thing.
Stainless steel.
You might want to save this box, Sarah. Christmas is coming.
Yeah.
I need Christmas
Very
lists
nice.
started from your children too, please.
We are children sometimes.
Sometimes we are
gifts
children.
roll around.
Yeah, when it's time for gifts, you're very good children.
Dude, this is so much better now with the plaque.
Yeah, you don't have to carry it on your belt. Now you can put the plaque on your back, carry it that way.
I was actually waiting to see if you liked it because it's very different than anything else you have. So
I love it. I like all sorts of things.
yeah.
That is
If
way
there's anything
awesome.
else you want, we should actually go back because they're having a massive, massive sale right now.
Wow.
Sale?
Yeah.
Look at him. He's frothing at the mouth.
The gears are grinding.
Do I get to have more than this one?
That can be arranged.
I think you did okay, though, boy.
That is very cool.
That is
This
so
is gonna
awesome.
be, I don't know what's in it, 'cause it's so
We should
cool.
put it where the clock used to be.
You're right! The little clock that we moved
Oh,
out.
that clock.
Oh!
No, we moved
Not that clock.
What?
the regulator.
You said it with such a straight face. I'm like, oh, okay, I guess.
The clock broke?
We put the clock in the garage. It's taking up too much space. No, we had that regulator clock. We had that regulator clock.
I wish I planned that.
I know.
Also